Can you give us a name, please?
Tavian Byfield.
Tavian, a brilliant performance from you today. Man of the match performance, leading the St. Jago team to victory over Charges. Can you tell us about the game?
It was a good game. We dominated the first half of the second half. Didn't put our chances to bed, but we didn't let them put their chances to bed. So I guess we dominated the game. We came out with the victory, which is what we wanted.
What was the thought on your performance today?
My performance could have been more direct. Wish I was more direct, but defensively, put in a good shift.
I didn't get a chance to score, but definitely, when you come, you'll be ready for that one.
Definitely, I'll get my chance and I'll score.
What's a goal target for an assist target for this season?
Last season I got 9 GA, so this season I'm aiming for 20.
All right, well done here.
How far do you think the St. Jago team can go? After beating a great St. George's team?
Quarterfinals, for sure.
Quarterfinals for sure. Anything after that is bonus?
Anything after that is what we deserve. It's what we work for.
All right, well said.
Well said. Thank you.